Well, you guys, we're here at the Comfort Suites here in Kearney, Missouri. Check out what we have here. We got a US elevator here to ride. Here it is. Oh, this one was wonderful. It's in better. Fornicator's Den. Still goes open. There's the stairs. Steps. Yeah, it's door problems, see? Doesn't even open anyway. No phone. No phone. Just wonderful. See, it's supposed to be a phone in there, but... Oh, there's the steps. Let's go back up again. Look at this. Just have salt. This Aurora. It's taking a pretty nice elevator. Some 90s. I see there's a button. Oh. The middle one. Oh, there's a button. Oh, sorry. Look at those buttons. That's Aurora. And here we're floor 1. Right in front of us. There's the stairs. And steps. Very nice 90s hotel. Just needs some work. So anyway, I guess that is gonna be it for me.